Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, your go-to place for real English conversation and practical speaking confidence.
And I'm Sophia. So happy to be here today. A little nervous too, honestly.
You'll do great, Sophia. You've got that calm, friendly energy listeners love.
Thanks, Adam. And I couldn't think of a better topic for my first episode. How to talk to anyone with confidence.
Exactly. Everyone wants confidence, but few people truly have it. And today, we'll figure out how to build it, not just in English, but in life.
You know that feeling when someone speaks so naturally and you think, wow, how do they do that?
Oh, totally. Especially when English isn't your first language. You start thinking, what if I say something weird? What if I forget words halfway through?
Exactly. It's like your brain hits pause right when your mouth's supposed to hit play.
Yes! And then later you replay it all in your head. Why did I say that? Why didn't I say anything at all?
Been there. But here's the truth. Even native speakers feel like that sometimes.
Absolutely. Confidence isn't about never feeling nervous. It's about speaking anyway.
Right? It's not about being perfect, it's about being okay with not being perfect.
Exactly. Because most of the time, the other person is just as nervous as you are.
Yes. Everyone's thinking about how they sound, what to say next, or whether they look confident enough.
So once you realize that, conversations start feeling lighter, more human.
You know what really used to hold me back? Comparing myself to others. Exactly. Your brain starts ranking people. Who sounds smarter, who's better, and you forget that you're not performing, you're just connecting.
Perfectly said. One day I told myself, no one's above me, and I'm not above anyone else. We're all just people trying to connect. Couldn't agree more. Confidence doesn't live in your grammar, it lives in your attitude.
Love that. But once you stop comparing, the next question is, what do I actually say?
Exactly. You finally feel brave enough to talk, and then your mind goes blank. Yes, I realized my problem wasn't English. It was not having something ready to share.
Right. I do a quick mental check before social events. What's one cool thing that happened this week? Something new I tried?
Same here. I even jot little notes in my phone. Funny moments, new cafes, random thoughts. It helps a lot.
It's like having a conversation toolbox. Just a few ready ideas so you're not caught off guard.
Exactly. And if you're learning English, practice those stories out loud before meeting people. That's gold.
Yes, it's like stretching before a workout. You warm up your words.
And even if you didn't prepare, great conversations can still happen.
Totally. Sometimes the best topics are right in front of you.
Exactly. The other day, I joked with someone in a coffee line. Feels like we're waiting for concert tickets, not coffee.
That's perfect. Funny, simple, and natural.
Yeah, and it didn't feel forced. You just notice what's around you. Weather, music, anything real.
That's such a helpful mindset. You don't need deep topics, just a friendly opening.
Exactly. Try something like, it's really crowded today, or I love this song.
That's small talk, but it opens the door. It's the first hello before a real chat begins.
And every hello builds confidence. One small step at a time.
So true. And here's the secret. The only way to stop feeling awkward is to go through the awkward.
Yes, you can't skip that phase. You have to live it.
When I first started talking to strangers, I felt like my words had training wheels. Shaky, but trying.
Great image. But over time, those training wheels come off. You just start speaking naturally.
Exactly. Every chat, every small talk, every smile, it all adds up.
Because small talk isn't small at all. It's the warm-up that builds your rhythm.
Yes, and like exercise, your social muscles get stronger the more you use them.
And you don't need hours of practice, just small daily moments. Ordering coffee, thanking someone, asking a question.
Each one builds confidence, in English and in yourself.
And mistakes, they don't stop you. They teach you.
Exactly. The faster you make them, the faster you grow.
There's a quote I love. If you're not making mistakes, you're not trying hard enough.
So true. Confidence isn't about never failing. It's realizing that silence hurts more than failure.
Beautifully said. And when you stop obsessing over grammar, you start focusing on meaning.
Yes, you stop speaking to impress and start speaking to express.
And that's real fluency, when English feels natural, like it belongs to you.
Exactly. It's not just something you study, it becomes part of who you are.
And there's one last skill people forget. Knowing how to end a conversation.
Oh yes, that's a big one. Sometimes the hardest part isn't starting, it's leaving politely.
Exactly. When the chat starts looping, you don't need to vanish, just close it kindly.
Like, it was great talking with you, I should get going. Or, I'm gonna grab a coffee, but nice catching up.
Perfect. It ends things warmly. Confident people know how to start and finish well.
Confidence really is about presence, knowing when to speak, when to smile, and when to pause.
Exactly. Start naturally, connect genuinely, and end gracefully.
And remember, confidence isn't built overnight. It grows with every real conversation.
So keep practicing, keep connecting, and keep speaking with confidence.
You've got this.
Thanks for listening to the Mr. English podcast.
Your progress doesn't stop here. Check out the next episode to keep your English growing.
See you next time. And remember, speak with heart, not just words.